In previous versions, users could create a cash purchase document to record expenses which were paid immediately. If a refund had to be recorded, it was impossible to reverse the cash purchase document. Instead, the user had to void it. In the latest version, this functionality has been enhanced. Now users can create a cash return document to register a full or partial refund for items paid immediately. On the cash purchases form, a new cash return can be created from scratch or by using the return action applied to a cash purchase. Additionally, cash returns are generated upon release of negative expense receipts recorded by employees to reflect refunds and rebates for purchases made with a corporate card. In the general ledger, cash returns debit the cash account and credit expenses. I am processing a refund for the cash purchase. The system copies all the details from the original transaction to the cash return. For a partial refund, you can reduce the document amount. If a 1099 vendor is used in a cash return, the amount to be reported on the 1099 form will be reduced. On release, the cash return posts a journal entry that debits cash and credits expenses. As demonstrated, starting from version 2024 R1, you can easily process full or partial refunds for cash purchases.